สวัสดีครับ I am Pacharit Sang Wacharasunthorn, the head of English program in the secondary level of เตรียมอุดมศึกษาพัฒนาการสุวรรณภูมิ School. English program has been running successfully for 4 years now and provide the students with learning opportunity aimed at allowing the student achieve their full potentials not only academically but also present emphasis on helping students cultivate strong social and moral values. English program and curriculum. Almost all subjects in English program will be taught in English, including mathematics, science, social study, health education, and classes in English language itself. The limited classes will be added during the last hour each day for the student to ensure that the student will not miss the topic and understand the lesson. Furthermore, the students are given the chance to study and conduct experiments with professional lecturer every Saturday. The extracurricular activity will include one-day trip, one-day camp, EP community, a trip to overseas, and annual English camp, which is usually held at the major tourist attractions in another province. Therefore, the student will have the opportunity to work together in harmony and experience new things and further develop their social skills. English proficiency test. The students will also sit for CFR assessment test from TOEFL Junior and CUSEP from Chulalongkorn University Academic Training Center. These will assess the student language acquisitions and develop English program curriculum too. Achievement and prize. This year, we are really proud of our students. Pawat, the student from TSAT 11, he won the first prize in multi-skill competitions. Meanwhile, TSAT 12, Pachila, she won the first prize in singing contest competitions. So, we would like to invite you to join us and ask the question you might have. We are looking forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Bajika Kalinkin. My nickname is Tonal, number 16 from M1/11. I feel glad that I chose to study at this school because this school has made me very impressed. Whether it is the surrounding environment, the social environment of the school, and how teachers teach students, as well as the fact that this school is quite convenient to access. The environment and society of this school are very good. The teachers understand and take care of the students. Technology is used in teaching. There are also experiments for students to do so that they can learn by themselves and take action. Our school supports students that have various activities abilities, example in music, sports, esports, computer, and many more. During the day, we also have meal break time. Our school uses students' card to pay for food. Our school has variety of food, snacks, and fruits. See you soon. ขอบคุณค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ My name is Pawat Pirunjit and I am a student in Mathayom 3/11 English program of เตรียมอุดมศึกษาพัฒนาการสุวรรณภูมิ School. The thing that I like most about our English program is the English activities in our classes. They have really helped me understand topics such as grammar and expand my vocabulary. Most importantly, other activities such as EP camp and field trips have helped me become inspired to continue and study English. That is why I would like to invite all of you to come and join us in our English program. We look forward to welcoming you into our family. See you soon. Thank you.